Hello friends. Now let's see about exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, you will find exclamation sign. And in that, you will use the verb form exclaimed. Generally, exclamatory sentences, they are used to indicate such type of feelings, the way the person has the feeling. Here you will find the words oh, ah, ouch, ooh, alas, wow, bravo, hurrah, etc. Variety of the feelings: surprise, joy, sorrow, pain, praise, appreciation, zeal, etc. Accordingly to the words, you can write this way, that O or A, at that time either you can write surprise, joy or sorrow. The way here, wow, bravo, so this is nothing but praise and appreciation. So here, if it is hurrah or hip hip hurrah, then we should write with zeal. So here this is the structure. See, you can see the structure. Very first thing, that remove such type of words, that ooh, ah, ouch, alas. Then remove exclamation sign simultaneously. Then you will write the sentence the way, the name of the speaker, then the verb form is exclaimed, then listener, then you will write with, and the feeling. Feeling in the sense, whether you find it surprise, whether you want to praise, appreciation, sorrow, joy, etc. And you will use the conjunction that. This is compulsory. Some other feelings are there even. You can use it with love, with hatred, with anger, with taunt, with disgust. Disgust we can use whenever you don't understand what type of feeling it is. Some weird, or you don't judge that what type of feeling it is, at that time you will write disgust. Let's see the example. Neil said to Kavya, "Oh, exclamation sign, you look handsome today." See, we don't know about the tone of the sentence, but we can judge that whether this is appreciation, whether this is surprise, whether this is joy. Suppose Neil never saw Kavya such a handsome, then he may surprise. So we can write with a surprise. Or if he is happy by seeing him handsome, then we can write with joy or with happiness. Neil exclaimed Kavya. Why exclaimed? Because exclamation sign. The verb form exclaimed. So Neil exclaimed Kavya with praise. You can write here with joy or with a surprise according to your interpretation. Now conjunction that. So Neil exclaimed Kavya with praise that. You will remove oh, this word, and exclamation sign too. Then you look handsome today. So you turns to he. Present tense, look turns to past tense, looked. Handsome, today turns to that day. So Neil exclaimed Kavya with a praise that he looked handsome that day. Now next sentence. Parth said, "Ah, how beautiful." So he may be surprised, suppose. Then you can write surprise. If he is very happy by seeing, then you can write with a joy or with a happiness. Here, as this is exclamation sign and the expression, you will write verb form exclaim. So Parth exclaimed. Listener is not given to you here. So directly you will write with joy. How beautiful. One more thing, remember. Here the sentence is not completed. Completed in the sense you are given only how beautiful. So this is assumption. Subject and verb form is not given to you. Suppose, assume that the sentence would be, "Ah, how beautiful it is." then you can convert it into simple, that it is beautiful. So it is turns to it was, is turns to was, past tense, present turns to past tense. So this is assumption that Parth said, how beautiful it is. So you can say it was beautiful. And that is why here we will write, Parth exclaimed with a joy, conjunction, that it was beautiful. Because we have converted into simple sentence. This is, it is beautiful. So is turns to was. This, remember, this was assumption that surely it would be it is. Because to complete the sentence we need subject and verb. And that's why this is assumption. We can add. Now, next one. It tastes beastly, inverted commas, into. Exclaimed the little boy. See, it tastes beastly. So, is it the sentence with anger, with a joy, or with a sorrow, with a praise? We don't know. And we can't judge. And that is why we will use, yes, disgust. We will use with disgust. So now, the little boy exclaimed with disgust, conjunction, that it tastes, present tense turns to past tense. It tasted beastly. So, the little boy exclaimed with disgust that it tasted beastly. So, dear friends, I am sure you have gone through about both the points and you understand very well. And we will see some other remaining points in the next session. Thank you.